Now CPU. CPU is central processing unit. It is used to execute the program instruction and processing data inside the computer system. CPU is responsible for processing of the input data, controlling and managing the operations of computer, and generating the desired output. CPU, also known as the brain of computer, it consists of registers, control unit, and arithmetic logical unit. Now registers. Registers are high-speed temporary storage area for holding data addresses and instructions during processing the instructions. Each and every register has several purposes, and registers work in the control unit of the CPU. The size of each register is called the word size, and it is determined by its functions. The bus architecture. Computer is an electronic device, as we know that, and it consists of input-output devices and a processor and memory. These devices communicate with each other through wires connected between the CPU and the devices. This set of wires is called the bus, and through this bus, data is transmitted. The number of bits transfer can be increased by the parallel connection of several wires. Now this is we can see the architecture of buses. Buses are shared by different devices. We can see that these are the three buses: data bus, address bus, and control bus. And this is the data transfer between these input devices and the memory and the CPU via bus. Data bus contains data, address bus contains the addresses, and control bus contains the control signals. Now parallel buses carry data in parallel on multiple wires, and serial buses carry data in the serial form. The number of bits carried in parallel by the bus is called the size or width, and number of bits transferred per second is called the capacity or the speed of the bus. The buses are commonly available in size of 4 bits, 8 bits, 16 bits, 32 bits, 64 bits, and so on. It will be an 2 to the power numbers. And as we saw, there are 3 types of commonly used bus: data bus, address bus, and control bus. We will see now in detail these type of buses. Now, first one is data bus. It is used to transfer data or instruction between the CPU and the memory unit of a computer. It is a bidirectional bus because it allows the transfer of data in both directions. There are 2 types of operations: read operations and write operations. When the data is transferred from CPU to memory, it is called write operation. We are writing to the memory. And when data is transferred from memory to CPU, it is called a read operation. We are reading this. Database is also shared by I/O devices of the computer system. The data bus can transfer the data or instruction in one direction at a time.